Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start streaming on Twitch. So first of all, what you do is open up twitch.com and create an account. If you don't have an account, then what you can do is, if you already have an account, you can do something else in that way. Just download OBS Studio, because we're going to need that to stream this here. And I'm going to show you how to create an account.
Alright, for this next build, I'm going to show
what you do is click on sign up. Then you need to put in your details. But if I have an account, I can just put it in as here. And then once you're done with everything, you can just click on here, then click on create your dashboard. Then we'll get a privacy key, then go to OBS. Then click on start streaming, and then click on open settings. And as you see here, I can click on stream, and then click on Twitch, and now use stream key. Now paste the stream key, and then it's going to tell Twitch with the stream key, and everything will be okay. So I would suggest you have a great day.